Figo with the complaint that the car was knocking, and the pickup was also it has come down. And apart from that, there were many other works also to be done. The car was not serviced for a long time. So when it was brought to our workshop, and when we went to check it, there was all the injectors were blocked. And to our shock, we found a lot of mud inside the tank of the car. And when we removed the tank, we cleaned the tank, and we thought that we can, with the time of running the car, it will come to its original momentum. But there were no satisfactory results. So again, we brought the car and we went through it. And when we opened the injector, the diesel was coming back into the wash pump, because of which there was no pickup, and the car was knocking. So we have replaced the injectors, and after replacing the injectors, there was a very good result. The car is running in a good place, good speed, as well as there is no knocking. And apart from that, it is giving a good mileage also. So do drop in to get your car repaired with the best professionals we have, with the original spares which we order especially for your car. Thank you, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. The voice has become smooth now. But let me check it for some time. Let me use it.